Hey guys, welcome back to Via Vlogs. I hope you all are doing great. I am Via. I absolutely love sharing everything about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So today I'll be reviewing only one product. Yes, you heard it right. Only one product we'll be talking about. Workday, workouts and weekends. Finding the perfect outfit that fits all the three is a struggle. Or is it? So for that problem, I ordered Bliss Club's Ultimate Flare Pant Light in the shade Purple Rebel. And let me tell you, they claim that these pants are perfect for everything. So let's find out if they live up to the hype. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. So packaging it comes in this plastic bag and the quality of this bag is really very good. So let's see what's inside. So it is completely wrapped in a paper और ये completely ऐसे sticker भी लगाया हुआ है. So let's see. अभी मैं आपके सामने ही इसे बिल्कुल unbox कर रही हूँ. इससे पहले मैंने नहीं किया था इसे unbox. वैसे ही open करके देखा था कि that color वही है कि नहीं. So here's the pant. Here's the color. I picked Purple Rebel and there's a note inside it. And this note is from Bliss Club only. And the second thing you'll be getting is the tag, which is definitely attached with these pants. Now I am going to style these pants with formal top for office work. But for that, let's remove the tag. So yeah, I've removed the tag. I'll be pairing these pants with this formal top, which has a knot in the neck, and this top is really very pretty and formal. So yeah, let's style them together. And for the footwear, I'll be wearing these heels from Chief brand. And for the bag, I'll be carrying this Tommy tote bag to complete my look. So this is how my complete look is looking. These pants are high-waisted, stretchy and very classy. And oh, the flare, it's very chic. Now for the gym, we'll style these pants with this gym top from the brand Enamel. And for footwear, I'll be wearing my gym shoes. So here are the shoes. And fun part is there is a pocket behind these pants. So आप अपने AirPods, carry कर सकते हो बहुत easily. So yeah, let's go to the gym. These pants are super breathable and moves with you like a second skin. And now for lounging at the home with the coffee, I'll be pairing these pants with this top only. And for footwears, I'll be wearing these comfy shoes. And for lazy Sunday mornings, these pants are as comfortable or as lazy as your favorite pajamas. From desk to gym to just chilling at home, these ultimate flare pants are the real deal. So if you're looking for something versatile, trendy and oh so comfy, Bliss Club flare pant is the ultimate vibe. So what are you waiting for? Click add to cart and bliss out these pants. Hey guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video and please like, share and subscribe to my channel so you never miss the update. See you in my next video.